How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with eatlikeanapex.com. Today I'm here in Redwood City, California. I was invited to a cooking school by Chef Tina, whom I met on Instagram, and she invited me to her school called Curry Sutra. It's Indian cuisine night, so I'm excited to see the different methods of cooking Indian cuisine and sharing the experience, learn recipes, and also try some of this good food as well. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. But first of all, are you hungry? Because I sure am. Alright, so kind of have to find the entrance first here. School here.
So we got the chiller ready to go. Okay, and then chicken in the fridge. So I think we can get I actually have to tie mine back before class.
Well, anyways, this is Chef Tina here at Curry Sutra. She's here. She's going to be teaching the class, and I'm excited to be here. And I'm going to let them get to work here. And Tina, I'll also definitely support her. She has Instagram, and it's at
Curry Sutra.
It's at Curry Sutra on Instagram. So
and we're also on Facebook.
And also on Facebook.
Facebook Curry Sutra and Explore Culinary.
So all this information will be displayed in the description below. But yeah, we're gonna get started here, and I'll have them kind of get set here, and I'll just go ahead and take some videos and pictures. So it's really cool. They're kind of getting started with the preparation here in the kitchen. They're like I said, it's gonna be an Indian cuisine night, and they're gonna have several students come out here to cook. And right now I'm here a little bit early, but I'm just going to maybe check some things out, take some pictures, kind of just enjoy this atmosphere. It's really beautiful in here. Yeah, this place is really gorgeous. Everything looks so nice. Definitely is one of these culinary schools where you get, I'm sure it's going to be great lessons, but you get that professional equipment, nice feel of a cooking school. I'm sure they have all the cooking utensils they need to make tonight's meal, and I am just excited to be a part of it. So put an apron on me to be a part of the class session. So the apron here. Perfect.
It's just something it causes me to maybe
So for those of you that cook, it'd be nice to know, like, you could tell the others what these spices are. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Black pepper,
cinnamon.
Right? Yeah.
Is there
coriander there.
Yes. Good for you. That's a tough one. Which one is it?
red chilies?
This one, right?
Yeah. Red chili, dry red chili. And then this one? I know there's curry in there.
Yeah.
There's curry, but which one? That's the question.
Garam masala.
Garam masala's in there. Which one? Sorry, Rochelle? Close.
I'm out.
Yes, that's garam masala.
Okay.
Good.
That's interesting.
Good. And then curry powder is this one with the yellow hint.
Are these fennel seeds?
I want to make the papadum together, so we're going to go straight to the gas. These are lentil wafers. They're gluten-free, and they come in different flavors. And so I'll show you how this works. You buy these at the Indian grocery store. I haven't seen them at Whole Foods. And you just, does everybody have gas at home?
Yep.
Yes. Okay, all right. You, just like this, and you can turn down the flame, okay, for the first time, because we don't want this to light on fire. There is a fire extinguisher right behind the purse there, just in case, and then we can take it to the sink for water. So who would like to do the chutney? Okay. All right. And then the rest of you make your own papadum.
Okay.
And then we'll move on to the chicken and the other recipes. Okay? Sure. And everybody can use each one. Yes.
So everybody seems to be cooking right now. They're doing their preparation and getting the food cooked. They talked about doing a chutney. What they're doing is making chutney, and they're also making a type of naan on the pan there with the flame. So everything's smelling really good, and I'm excited to see the end results. Pop it on here. Yeah, good.
We're making it with ghee by Fourth and Heart, a company in New York.
Starting to feel like that worthless guy.
Medium. Okay, and then the salt. And oh, you're gonna stir over here. Let you stir it. Your salt is good. We're gonna adjust the salt if we need it. Okay.
Smile, lady.
Okay, and you guys have water, right? Good.
So I have the crunchy, I forget what it's called here, but it has a chutney on it. Chutney. So I'm gonna give this a bite here. See how this tastes. Wow. That's good. So, I have here the alagobi homestyle chicken curry. Raita.
Raita.
Okay. So, I have this wonderful dish here. Everything looks so beautiful and so prepared so nicely. I'm just going to go ahead and dig in here because I've been watching them make it, and it needs to be eaten right away. So, I'm going to try that homestyle chicken curry first here. Here we go, homestyle chicken curry. Wow. You taste those onions, you taste those tomatoes, the garlic, the different spices they have here. I saw them use numerous different spices. And there's a variety of flavors that just enhances this meal here. Oh, it tastes wonderful. And we have cauliflower here, so I'm going to give this here a bite here. The mixed vegetables. I think this is with the turmeric actually. Wow. Spicy. The cauliflower. It's good. The yogurt goes with anything?
Yeah.
The yogurt goes with anything.
So then it's better maybe to put it over rice.
Over the rice, so put the...
I mean, yeah, it's
So-
up to you because it's becoming quite spicy.
I'm adding the yogurt onto the rice here, as advised. And I'm going to add some here into the homestyle chicken curry. And I'm actually going to dip it in here as well. Alright. Some rice with it. Oh wow, that is excellent. The rice and the yogurt, it's a wonderful combination. And this entire dish here actually complements each other. I love how they cooked it, I love how they prepared it. And I'm just going to keep going here because it's so delicious. I'm gonna add some more of that yogurt onto the rice. He's absolutely right. And I'm actually gonna pour some of the home style chicken onto there too. Just like that. Just like that. Get a scoop of that. Scoop of that here. Wow. This is gonna be a nice hefty bite. Alright, I gotta try some of Tina's mom's chai tea. She made me some chai tea here. I'm gonna give this a sip before adding the sugar on it. Cheers.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna put some sugar on this one here. Right, yeah, I'll add some sugar. It's good though. Let's give this another sip. Nice and warm. You taste that tea, that chai tea, and it's just so, it's not overly sweet. I didn't add too much sugar on it, but it goes great with this meal here. I'm becoming very happy right now. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm gonna go ahead and video off here now. I had a great time at Curry Sutra in Redwood City, California, hanging out with Chef Tina and her crew and the students that came there to have a cooking lesson on Indian cuisine. If you're interested in cooking with Chef Tina, I'll leave her links below. You can follow her on her social media sites and check out her website as well. I definitely recommend it if you're in the Bay Area. Anyways, I want to end it off here and hope you give this video a like and a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you subscribe to my channel. With that said, peace out. One love. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications for more updates on eating and vlogging. Thanks. Bye.
Alright, dig in guys. Everybody.
Okay. Here we go.
Go.
Here we go. Go for it. Come on, get on here. There he goes. Thank you. Alright. Wow. That's a wonderful tasting ice cream.
Yeah, that's for you.
Oh, no, go for it.
No.
There's another one here. Wow. No, it's excellent.